Hello everybody, welcome back to How Fred Does It. Got a real quick review video for you here today. We've got these LED lights that you just screw in place of your regular light bulbs. And these things are absolutely amazing for 20 bucks or less if you watch for them on sale. Many different brands on Amazon. I got a 2-pack for 20 bucks here. This doesn't have the brand on it. It's just a high bay light 2-pack made in China. I know, we won't go there. But basically, these things are a game changer out here in my garage. It's so dark. I'm just going to pull out the, I think these are 75 watt LED bulbs. Pull it out, screw the new ones in. Whoa! It's like the surface of the sun. It is amazing. I put 2 of these in over my workbench a couple weeks ago because I'm always fighting trying to see on the workbench and trying to hold up extra lights and drop lights and lamps and to see what I'm doing. And a buddy of mine turned me on to these, and I figured, well, I'll try 20 bucks. We'll give it a shot. So it made such a difference over my workbench. I figured I'd get a couple more for this side of the garage where I do a lot of my projects and my larger projects. And go ahead and film it real quick so you guys can see the difference. There we go. Most of these have pretty good reviews for longevity. I mean, just plain old out of the package LED bulbs aren't inexpensive. So I mean, 20 bucks for 2 of these. That difference is amazing, what you can see. If I was here doing a project like I did my axe last week, and it was dark and yucky, I like to keep the garage door closed so I can have the dogs out here with me. But there you go. We'll kind of stick you up here and so you can see. I mean, it is a huge difference. Forgive my mess. I come home from a camping trip, so I got stuff to put away. But those are the other 2 I put on the other side over my workbench, and it is just amazing for the cost. So there you go. That's my review on these, and you can angle them around. If you look at the one over there on the left, it's probably hard to see, getting a lot of glare, but I've got them pushed up a little bit so that they spread the light. These ones here I've got a little flatter. Yeah, get you a set of those. I'll put a link in my Amazon affiliate links below. Yeah, solve a lot of your lighting problems in your project area. It's a bit much for my office, but they are an amazing light for brightening the place up. So thanks for coming out. Hope you have a great day. Take care all.